This is plastic. It's in your hands, your clothes, your food packaging, it's even inside your body. But what if plastic was never invented? Plastic is a polymer, meaning it's made of long chains of repeating molecules. These chains can be flexible, rigid, or transparent, making plastic one of the most versatile materials ever created. Most plastic comes from fossil fuels and refined in petrochemical plants, but nature also makes polymer like silk, rubber, and even DNA. In 1907, a guy named Leo Baekeland invented Bakelite, the first fully synthetic plastic. It was durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for electrical insulation. Industries went crazy for it. Today we produce nearly 400 million tons of plastic every year. It's cheap, durable, and basically irreplaceable in modern life. But what if we never had it? Without plastic, technology would be stuck in the past. Modern electronics rely on lightweight, durable plastics. Without it, electronics would be bulkier, break easily, and cost way more. Transportation would be a nightmare. Cars, trains, and planes all use plastic to stay lightweight and fuel efficient. Without it, vehicles would be heavier, burn more fuel, and be way more expensive. Here's where it gets really bad. Medicine. Without plastic, hospitals would struggle. No plastic IV bags, no disposable gloves, no sterile syringes. Most life-saving medical devices, from ventilators to prosthetic limbs, rely on plastic. Before plastic, syringes were made of glass and had to be boiled after each use. That made infections way more common. And think about prosthetic limbs. Today's versions are made with strong, lightweight plastic. Without it, we would still be using wood and metal, way heavier and less functional. So, would a world without plastic be cleaner? No plastic means no garbage islands in the ocean, no plastic choking wildlife, and no microplastics in our food and water. Every year, over 8 million tons of plastic waste end up in the ocean. It takes hundreds of years to break down, and it's now even in human blood. But here's the problem. If we never invented plastic, we would use a lot more wood, cotton, and natural materials like metal. That means more deforestation, more hunting for leather, and higher carbon emissions from heavier transportation. Think about it, instead of plastic toothbrush, you would need a wooden one. Instead of synthetic fibers like polyester, you would need cotton, silk, or wool, which means using more land, water, and energy to produce clothing. So, would a world without plastic be better? It depends. On one hand, we would have cleaner oceans and less waste. On the other, technology, medicine, and everyday life would be harder, more expensive, and less advanced. Maybe the real solution isn't no plastic, but smarter plastic. Scientists are already working on biodegradable plastics made from plants and algae. Some companies like Water2Go are creating bottles from sugarcane that look like plastic but fully decompose in months. Others like PLA bottles use plant-based materials to make compostable packaging. So, what does this mean for the future? We can't replace plastic entirely, not yet. It's too useful, too ingrained in modern life. But we can create better alternatives. Materials that are biodegradable, recyclable, and made from renewable sources instead of fossil fuels. The challenge isn't getting rid of plastic, it's making it smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable.